menggunakan ban yang berbeda, ini agak menjadikan balapan.
Ini sempat mention ada starting device, itu juga menarik sih. Kemarin Valentino Rossi sempat bilang gitu ya. Nah, menurut Joni,
Zarco untuk di kering mungkin masih coba setting yang basah dan dapat feeling cukup bagus.
ya, nah, terus kalau yang menarik lagi adalah Zarco ini, soalnya kan Zarco, Quartararo ini kan soalnya kan kita nggak engine freeze nih,
betul,
ya kan?
Betul.
Jadi sebetulnya memang semua hasilnya buat masing-masing rider gitu ya?
Betul. Kalau kita melihat memang ya Likum ini yang menjadi kelebihan, dan kalau kita melihat memang karakter terus, ternyata mereka melakukan istilahnya menggunakan ban yang itu aja. Saya lihat tidak bisa.
Yang pakai soft-soft, Maverick Viñales juga ya, Valentino Rossi juga.
Melihat kondisi mungkin di separuh balapan bakal ada apa-apa.
Sebetulnya kalau ini tuh masalahnya adalah mungkin emang karena kemarin bahwa sebetulnya tahun ini ya kan kita sama-sama tahu PR besar itu bagus di kualifikasi supaya mereka posisi starter. Dan sebetulnya ini apa ya? Nah ini Fabio Quartararo, nggak tahu deh John, kira-kira apakah ini sebetulnya pertanyaan yang paling besar adalah
mungkin Jack Miller bersaing.
Nah ini soalnya si pemimpin klasemen sementara
banget.
Hari ini Johnny sama aku takut bikin
settingan yang dapat lap yang panas.
Jadi kita berdoa aja mudah-mudahan sih aku udah berani deh.
There as Jack Miller G's himself up. We are ready to go for the start of Motogp in Le Mans. Yes, away we go. He's got his Ducati power going at the line, but Marquez also has got the inside. Sweeps on through on the Suzuki. What a first couple of laps this has been from Alex. Really feels like we're going to get rain here in France. This is the battle between. He's got straight on there, and turn number 11. Oh, he's gone down. He has got the picture on Takanakagami. Can you believe it? Lucio checking on a history. Rins follows in behind. Miller has just made it in. He's getting ready to go. Teams in the pit lane there really favoured Marquez. It's all on now. We're on his way in for a bike swap, and he's crashed. Here we go then, they head out. Where has Miller gone? Prince is down immediately. First corner, first time he's flicked it to disastrous 30 to 40 seconds for the factory Suzuki team. Fabio Quartararo. And this is where Marc Marquez evolved. Penalty frustration for Joan Mir. He was on his way back into the pits for his weapon wide from Quartararo. He will not want to let Marc Marquez out of his sight. Experiencing rain conditions here. Marc Marquez to be for Suzuki. Lead back from the Italian, but what a story it would be if it is still to go, so we won't quite talk about that just yet. Jack Miller there, within a certain amount of time. Oh, Marquez has got down, I don't believe it. Marquez out corner, Santi Hernandez and the Repsol Honda. The conditions, and Marquez goes down, all the rear coming round on him, same as just crept the throttle on, ready, set on the clipboard from his crew chief, gets an absolute battering. Marc Marquez then to get on the power. That was a real big smack on that right arm for him. We are closely approaching here the halfway point of the race. Matt alluded to a moment ago, he's the fastest man on the circuit. And now about to swarm all over Takanakagami's rear tyre. This is coming down the back straight after turn 8, isn't it? On the approach now to turn 9. Normally, reliability roads have been a precision medium wet front and medium rear, quicker than the race leader. And you can see now as we track Miller from the helicopter shot down into the. Someone's gone down, it's the Repsol on. Is that Mark again? It is. It's over now. Mark warning his team. He's coming in to make a change. Is it going to be now? It's not. He's going. Well, if you finish the race at the moment, you're in with points. Oh, that was big as well, wasn't it? Fast down into La Chapelle, was he just a little bit offline? Difficult, still to come. Yeah, I mean, Miller seems to have hit a brick wall in terms of his speed on those races. He's been doing 44s now, so he may well feel... Went wet, has dried again. This circuit is so difficult. Yes, when he was third on the grid. These guys now, Fabio Quartararo will be quite relieved as we ride with him. That is just like on a pogo stick. Well, in the past when we've seen conditions like this and races in 2 weeks' time off the back of back-to-back first and second championship favourites. He finished 9th in the opening races in Qatar. The Claudio Domenicali, who we know is going to be back at home in Borgo Panigale. He buried some demons. He's his toughest critic. Nobody's hard on himself. And it's going to be a double. 2 weeks on from us, and he's done it again. Q Pandemonium, Jack Hiller. Years. Thumbs up from Zarco. That's excellent. 2 Frenchmen should be as Quattararo comes across the line to take the checkered flag. The champion surgery last time out after Jerez. Big result for Fabio Quattararo, and he is delighted with that. Super pumped for the man who had arm pumps. Maverick Vinales as well. That's a good day for Tech 3, by the way. Heading into Italy. 16